Welcome back everybody. This is Shahzaib Kamal from Podina Tutorials.com and we're learning the Angular 4. Welcome back everybody. So far so good. You've learned a lot of things about the components and very basic things about the many basic things about the Angular 4. So now it's time to move on and it's time to learn something more. I'm just going to teach about the data binding. You just know a little bit about the data binding already, but let's just talk about a little deeper. Anything, actually, if you just want a translation of the data binding, it's just called the communication. If you just want to make the communication, you just use the data binding. An example of the data binding is there. If you remember the main app component, here is the main app component's TS file, and there you can see that the title and the string, whatever, both are the variables. So basically, when we just use these variables and wherever we use, so suppose if I just go there, if I just go to the app.component.css, okay, so I'm just gonna go to the IntelliJ and I'm just gonna use them inside the div, and I'm just putting them at the very top, and here I'm just typing the title, anything I can type, just save it. Now you will be seeing the changes here, the our course. Okay, so basically the title is not coming from this page, but it's just coming from the component.ts. That means it's just working. So this our course is actually a way to data binding, came from the way to data binding. So this is a simple example. There are some more things about the data binding I just want to clarify. So whenever you just do the data binding, you just need to know that you can do a lot of things in data binding. So let me talk about it. This is actually the way you just can do, but some more things. By the way, one more thing I just want to clear about these curly braces, that the result of the curly braces will be the string. Okay, so this is the way you just need to know. If you're just working on it, the result here should be a string. So where we just process things, we just can process things inside the component.ts file there. So just like that, here we just meet the variables and we just use the variables. Also we also can use the methods, we can use the if and else, but we cannot directly use the if and else there. We can use that in a ternary operator, but if we are just using the if we can use if and else, the ternary operator is there. Okay, I just want to show you how it just works. Let's just set a line break. Okay, and here I just want to do that. So I'm just putting the BR here, I'm just going down, and there I'm just using that ternary operator. I'm just typing 2 is smaller than 5. Just imagine, question mark. You just need to know about the ternary operation. It just actually, we directly cannot put the if else. The conditional statements should be in line like I'm just doing, so I just cannot use the if else, but I'm using the ternary way to just get the if else conclusion. So question mark and then the value. If it is, if 2 is equal to 5, then true or false. Both things are really important. False. Okay, save it. Now go to the browser and I'm just gonna give you the result. It is true, means 2 is smaller than 5. What if I just ask that 2 is greater than 5? No, it's false. You can see that this is false now. Okay, if I just change it, and now you can see that it's true for now. That means it's working. So I hopefully you just got the meaning of these regular expressions, but there is something more we can do by this. This is a way. This is actually not actually the part of the data binding, but when we start talking about the curly braces, the regular expressions we can use here, this is the method we can apply. Okay, and now just focus on the result. Oh come on, it's still, if you just notice, by going to the Chrome, the result is, if I just go there, and the result, you can see that it's the string. That means it's still a string. This is what I was just telling. Means we can apply the ternary operation, we can do plus and minus, but the results will be string. If I just go down and just make something more like that we did before, line break, the BR, and here I'm just putting the 2 plus 5. Okay, plus 5. Okay, the result will be in here. You can see that this is 7, but this 7 is not actually workable, because here it's getting converted into this string. Now some more things about it. I'm just gonna tell you that how we can use some more tricks. Now in the next class, I'm just gonna work actually on a data binding. A single way you just know about the data binding is we just can use we just can make the variables here. We can call them here. We have already called it the title. Also any sub components in these components like the content, the header component, you just can use the same trick. You just can put this inside the component.ts, the content.company.ts, the variables. Even you just can use the methods and you can call them. In the next class I'll be using the methods, so stay tuned. And as always, please subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel grow. Leave a comment and we'll meet in next lesson. Till then, goodbye.